Araba musu waɗannan. Ka zo mana fara ba su. Ka shana ba. Araba musu. Ya ce ba daga shugaban kasa.
Kai, nobody, no public
Muhammadu Buhari ya kura Sojojin Nigeria ya Nero salamu alaikum kungiolo.
Tell them we are happy that they are all alive and they are united.
Na lokacin dare nandiro karu kijinde puletaro ne duk so amlar da ya kursan ande duk rondiya na laishe danyana da karu kijin zu puletaro na lokacin
all of us we are one and only Nigerians. Nobody can make it a better contribution.
Ande duk so kampal ande duk so Nigeria nduma kama zana da wazina ba.
Now some of us we are father, mother, parents, these little ones that are grown. They should not make us with this Magana when we be great ones.
Ande duk na da danye na da baso yaso wondo duli sana na da awo kuren wazina ya hawar sero koluye ne nan karo na Allah isi sabkate.
So it is going to be a good thing as they are going into society to be able to tell these little ones message of the peace and hope.
Kalma surar jama'a rogawa ndai dulinde sana na allo shori naptinule waya ladin dia furo ya doya ari makwa da hakkido nero kalandoro ala gana zina.
Now very soon they will come and take them from there and they will go to the society. There are better future ahead.
Kalma loktu gojin baro nanti dukso isa sabsa suro bularo saren na do rayuwa do kiji rondo panuima napti karaye so naptun jokuno so bawo insha Allah.
What we do for them here is just from our own side, not to say anything. The big thing where they come, they know if you never know.
Awo kirma nero gana sidinare awo ratin zai sidi amma her do in fula ne dia jejin de ajamnu inono.
What our other wants is for them to be able to call some of their brothers. Huh? There is no war for us to fight and kill.
Awo kirma shi shuga de marade zanare hun kriu so bawo yanda yana yozo so bawo ne ye kokorino amdo ngawala kolluwa da bono isa ne yengo ikiliwa ndo silei atpimani ya sondina bawo sero tokuno.
All of us, let us join hands together and say one Nigeria, one peace.
Ande duk so mukonde ronyo hamyo ala andero naptinilewa ya Nigeria ro chugulyo.
Nigeria.
Ala andero naptihere chu.
Tell your brother that you are going to call somebody in the bush to come out.
Yam ana soro gulune amdo karaye bono ise soro blairo.
Tell your brother, I'm going to tell somebody come out from the bush. Yeah.
Ya mana ro collecte ne gulle nduso kamanzro ya mana bone sulu nye sawa bone sulu collecte no kamandoro gullu.
Assalamu alaikum.
Salamu alaikum. Kurson ne ya jama'a ba mu kwantin somona. Au ko
Wannan a yanka. How many of them?